accidentally bought that questionable skin, don't panic, you might be able to get your bucks back. Fortnite offers a cancellation window for certain item shop purchases, giving you a chance to reconsider. But it's important to act fast. First, head to the main menu in Fortnite. This is where you'll find the settings and options you need. Next, look for the settings icon. It usually looks like a gear or cogwheel. Click on it to open the settings menu. Now, navigate to the account and privacy tab. This is where you'll find the options related to your purchases and account information. Scroll down until you find the purchase history section. Within this section, you should see an option to submit a request. Select it. A list of your recent purchases will appear. Eligible items will have a cancel purchase button next to them. Remember, you can usually only cancel items purchased within the last 24 hours. Click the cancel purchase button next to the item you want to return. A confirmation screen will pop up, asking if you're sure. Confirm your cancellation. You'll see your bucks balance updated to reflect the refund. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your purchase. Now, maybe spend those bucks a little more wisely next time.